once I will raise the patient to the maximum, I will show you the how to tie the same. So this is now I'm switching on the device. You have a charger with the device. You can see this is the charger. This is the charger. You can see I need to put the one socket in the other end and one over here. So if I put the same over here and put the same on electricity, it will get charged. So I have already charged the same, and now I am taking the same off, and this was the point I'm going to tell you where the charger needs to be inserted. So now I will start the device. So you can see this is the touchscreen display and all the instructions are written over there, warnings are written over there. You can read the same also. And this is the switch on button. I press the switch on button. So you will get the display, and the device is Biotronix Solution Forever Exoskeleton device. So once you switch on, you will get the brand registration logo, the authentication of the device, and then you read the conditions and press OK. Now you can see these are the various parameters over here: both legs, left leg, right left, calibration, wear, raise level or raise. So I will show you one by one all these things. First, raise seat and raise lower seat is the one which we will focus first. So the seat at the lowest position at the wheelchair height. Now the patient from the wheelchair height, I have transferred the same to the chair. Now I will raise the height of the patient. So you can see when I am pressing the same, the patient, I keep on pressing and keep on pressing, the patient is going to the sitting position to the standing position now. So you can see patient slightly going in the standing position. So you can see now in the standing position. So at that point, patient I can adjust according to the patient comfort, and patient can also adjust the same according to his comfort. So you can see, and now you can see at the foot end, you can see I have already tied the same from the front part. I have already tied the same from the front part. You can see this I have already tied, and from the back part this I have already tied. So patient foot is very stable on the footrest. You can see foot is very stable at the footrest. So now, and by opening the same, I will show you. So you can see this is the leg support, and you can see this is the cushioning part. So patient will be very comfortable with that cushion. And this is the belt I wear on the leg, and then this is the buckle. So I can adjust that buckle according to the patient size. And now patient is completely tied up, and by the same way I have tied the same also. Now footrest has been tightened up and knee section has been tightened. And also you can adjust this knee part, like the leg of the patient is the height of the patient is 6 feet or 5'8", 5'10", or any height. So you can according to the knee area, you can adjust the same from here to there. You just release that knob, and to that area you can vary the same. So it will go up and down. And by like this, you can also adjust the footrest, where you can see you release that knob, and then you can adjust according to the patient height. So if the patient height is smaller or patient is with the bigger height, you can adjust knee and the footrest accordingly. So the same is adjustable. Now I go a little bit upward. So you can see this is the backrest. So you can also adjust that backrest. You can see you can also, by using this knob, you can adjust. So you can uplift the same also, or you can go up to that area. So now according to the patient, I will keep on asking the patient whether he is comfortable or she is comfortable. She will reply yes, then at that position I will put the same. Or I can put according to my according to me, so that the patient will feel very comfortable. So the same is also adjustable. Now at the front part, you can see there is a belt also there. So patient will get tied with that belt, and this belt is connected to from the back side. So you can see I take that part and insert it like this, and now I will tie the patient like this. So again adjust the same like this. So patient is now tied up from the front side also and from the back side. Now the rest part, the arm, the patient don't need to put the arm like this. The patient can rest their arm on the side. So these can also be adjusted by this knob. You can up or down the same, and you can see the quality of the vaccine over here. And handle, patient can also hold that handle also and at both the sides. So now everything is adjustable, and I have shown everything that you can adjust from the footrest to knee section to back section, back support to the and these armrests. So everything can be adjusted. Now I will start the device and operate it and show you the demo. So currently the patient is in standing position now. So you can see here is the calibration. So left leg calibration. So you can put left leg calibration if the patient is in this condition and the treatment stops in between. So if you want to calibrate the same, then you need to press the calibration button, and the calibration button will keep on left leg. Now patient will go in the. So you can according to the patient, you can drop the same in any of the position the patient will calibrate. Like. You can calibrate both left and right leg and then go to the return button. Now you have the option for both legs, left and right. So now I will show the same with the both legs. So I click on the both and confirm the same, and you can see over here that it is there are 5 levels of speed from 1 to 5, and exercise duration will be shown over here and calorie also shown. So if I press the start button, the treatment will start. I need to increase the speed. So start button I have pressed. Now you can see the movement of dual. I am taking this one. So you can see this is the dual leg movement. So you can see the patient in the sitting position now, and now performing the walking activity using the exoskeleton device. So this is the lower limb exoskeleton. So you can see the patient is in from the wheelchair to sitting position to now in the standing position, and very comfortably is performing the walking action. So both the legs are working simultaneously and in the walking style. So that can be seen. Let me be a bit quiet, and you just see the device is operating, and you don't see any of the noise coming out of any motor or anything or something like that. You may get the noise from the background, but from the device, no noise, nothing. You can see. So this was the dual movement, and if I stop the same in between, like I can also increase the speed. So I can go up to 5 levels of the speed. So now you can see the speed has been increased. The walking speed has been increased. So you can see from first level to the 5th level I can go up to, and now I'm pausing the same. In the pause situation, I go back. The patient, you can see the legs are, one leg is lifting and one is still in the standing position because I stopped the same in between. So what I need to do here, I can press the wear button over here, like patient in the wear condition, and what will be happening over here, the patient will go, a little bit movement will happen, and patient will get in the normal standing position. So now patient will go to the standing position. So now after going to the standing position, now there is the option for left and right left and leg left. If I want to use for the single leg, like patient want to move the single leg, or doctor want to use the single leg, then I need to press left one, confirm, and now start. So you can see right. right leg is in the stationary position, in the standing position, not moving, and left one is walking, left one is moving. So if doctor wants to operate single leg only, he can operate, he or she can operate right leg also or left leg also, and both. So this is the left leg. If I stop the same, pause, go back, again in the same standing position, and now I go to the right. So you can see left will be the same position, start the same, and you can see right leg is now moving. So using that exoskeleton device, you can perform walking action in both the legs, or either one of the legs you want to move, you can select this one. So this is the device, and this is the touchscreen model. So I pause the same, I return the same. So you can see all the feature I have explained the same to you, and also you can perform the activity using that remote control. So if you don't want to use the touch screen, you can have the remote control with you. This is the remote control, and same action can be performed using the remote control, like start, stop, speed, up, down, and left leg, right leg, seat, up, down, and all these features are there in the same, like speed up or speed down, like if I select leg up or leg down, or dual leg, both are, all can be operated using that remote also, or you can use the same touch screen. So you have the feature for remote also and for the touch screen also. And in any of the part of the treatment, if patient feel discomfort or something like that, if I operating the both leg and start, so you can see patient is performing the dual legs activity, is walking, but if he or she feels some discomfort or some situation where can't be continued, so that patient can press that emergency switch. So there are emergency switch over here and here. Any of the same, patient can switch right now. So patient press the same, and the treatment will stop over there, and emergency stop activated, release the button to resume the operation. So emergency stop has been activated. So once the same will be released from here, the operation will be now can be done again. So this is the emergency switch, and this is everything. Also, I just missed that part also. So this is the side. Like if you can see the patient, there are area between the patient side. So what we can do, we can fill the air in the same like this. So you can see the air filling, and by this it will reach to the patient side, and also at this point you can fill the air. So side can be tightened up with that air filling cushion. So now the patient can be totally tied up with the side also, and in the front, and from the knee, and from the back, and from the foot section. So this is how incredible that device is for the stroke and spine injury, and the patient with the paralysis condition and all, and for the lower limb rehabilitation, walking and everything, the device can be used. And Biotronix Care International, we are the importer of the device, and the same is available with us. If you have any query or you want to purchase, you can contact us. You can drop your WhatsApp number, you can call our customer support team, or you can visit our website also. Our team will get back to you and share you all the details for the purchase and everything. And do subscribe the channel and keep on sharing the videos like that, because we are keep on making the videos of these type of incredible devices for the physiotherapy and rehabilitation. So thank you for watching.